Programming a Jeep key fob syncs it with your vehicle's computer, allowing remote locking, unlocking, alarms, and sometimes starting. Modern Jeeps 2011 Plus often support DIY programming, but it's model specific. Newer models, 2023 Plus, may use the Uconnect app for easier pairing via Bluetooth. Older models typically require manual ignition cycling or OBD2 tools. Improper programming can lock your system, so follow instructions carefully. First, ensure your Jeep is unlocked, the battery is charged, and you have the correct key fob, either original or a compatible replacement. Next, for most 2011 to 2022 Jeep models, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to on without starting the engine, then turn it off 3 times within 10 seconds. Listen for a chime to confirm you're in programming mode. Within 30 seconds, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob together for 4 to 10 seconds until the vehicle responds by locking or unlocking. Then, turn the ignition to on to exit programming mode. Test all key fob functions from outside the vehicle to ensure they work properly. For 2023 and newer models, pair the key fob via Bluetooth in the Uconnect app settings and follow the on-screen prompts. Always consult your vehicle's manual for precise instructions, and if you're unsure, seek professional help.